So here's the audio lag that I'm experiencing with the Tesla's Bluetooth. So you can see it's connected to this device, and I have this drum app. So when I tap this, see how much lag that is? Let's see. Okay, now I'll show you how it should be at least. I have this Bluetooth audio transmitter thingy that works through the FM radio. Okay, so I'm gonna plug that in, leave that in there. I set it to 107.9. I wish they kind of had a radio signal that was outside of normal radio broadcasting, because yeah, otherwise they kind of overlap with each other. So what I'm going to do now in the Bluetooth, let me see if it, I've got to do it this way. Okay, so in the Bluetooth, I'm going here, it's connected to audio for that. So let's see, hopefully it will already be set up. So let's see, ready? See how much better that is? Okay, and then now I go back to the Bluetooth on the Tesla. Okay, now we're using the Bluetooth audio again. Is it back to it, or is it still going to the radio one? Maybe I have to tell the phone to switch. Okay. But yeah, you can, there's a huge lag difference. Like, okay, let's go back here. It should be audio as well for here. I don't know what's going on. I guess I'll disconnect this one. Okay, let's try it again. Go back to the Tesla one. Oh yeah, okay, it did go back. Look at that. I'm gonna unplug this and plug it back in and see if my phone auto reconnects to it. Again, we're gonna go back to the FM one. I heard the beep. So, ready? Look at the difference. It's still a tiny bit delayed, but in like video, it's not very noticeable. If I watch a video with the Tesla one, you cannot, it's unwatchable. It's like you're watching a Chinese like film that was dubbed with really bad English. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.